Hi guys, it's Flynn. I haven't posted since a while, so I thought I'll make a video about these budgies. My new budgies. One is a boy, one is a girl. We've got the grey and white one, which is right there. That one is the girl, and that we think. And the aqua one and white one, we think that one's a movie. The grey and white one is my one. The aqua one is my brother's. Also we've got a macaw, so I'll be showing you that, but I thought I'd just make a video because I haven't posted since a while. Got their food there, I might just back up so just in case they want to eat. Not really used to me. So, look. Come here. No. Got like this little hanging thing from the going. Come here. Come on. Well, I'm going to go show you the macaw, so just get a last image of these. And off we go. I didn't want to go outside because then my dog would have jumped on me. There's the macaw. Okay, come on, Pebbles. Pebbles. Hello. You can't really see it properly, but that's the macaw. I don't want to go outside because then people will jump on me. See the dog. So macaw. Name's Pebbles. I'm going back. So let's go last clips. Off we go. And we're back. We've got our birds. Got the budgies. I'm gonna hold one. Show you. Come on. Yeah, I'm gonna hold my one. Sorry. Come here. Come on. Come on, we'll be real quick. There we go. So this is our budgie. Hey, stop it. I'll make another video of holding them. Bye.